थोड़ी देर में प्रधानमंत्री का संवाद शुरू होने वाला है, वहां भी आपको ले चलेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले इस वक्त की एक बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें। पश्चिम बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी को एक बड़ा झटका लगा है। पश्चिम बंगाल में मंत्री राजीव बनर्जी ने मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया है। राजीव बनर्जी फिलहाल वन मंत्री के तौर पर काम कर रहे थे, लेकिन काफी दिनों से वो बागी मूड में चल रहे थे और आखिरकार उन्होंने मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया है। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर, एक एक करके कई बड़े चेहरे, कई बड़े नाम ममता बनर्जी का साथ छोड़कर पार्टी से अलग हो रहे हैं। राजीव बनर्जी ने फिलहाल मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दिया है। आगे की उनकी रणनीति क्या है, इस पर भी नजर रहेगी। और इस वक्त मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त सुनील अरोड़ा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, आपको ले चलते हैं।
In 2019, the additions were 3.04%. Deletions were 0.52%. In 2020, additions were 3.45%. Deletion was 0.42%. In 2021, additions have been 2.84% and deletions 0.84%. I would request our CEO to kindly make sure that all of you get this statement, which is a district-wise breakup in West Bengal of the current revision of electoral rolls. As I told you, we had almost 2-hour interaction with the political parties. I'll give you some of the highlights of that meeting. Most political parties showed concerns of law and order situation. They spoke of high voltage electioneering, which can become violent and threaten to vitiate the electoral process. We are just paraphrasing what they said. I am repeating, we are just paraphrasing what they said. They also talked about provocative slogans, a communally charged atmosphere, etc., etc. They also wanted optimal deployment of CAPFs to be ensured. They also desired that videography, webcasting be done at polling stations so that voters are assured of safe voting area. Representatives specifically mentioned that liquor or even food inducements, packet inducements be curtailed in poverty-ridden tribal areas. Some political parties cited the concern about anomalies in electoral roll, etc. They drew the attention of the Commission on the vital role of central observers. Here I would like to tell you that it has been a settled policy of the Commission not to send the observers who belong to the same state or who have worked here in the past in any capacity, even on deputation. So they are all, and this is all over India. In addition, in the last parliamentary election, we had to send special observers to West Bengal and Tripura due to some local issues. We had sent one special observer for law and order and one special observer, general special observer. Both of them, the two sent to Tripura and the two sent to West Bengal, they all extremely experienced, very dedicated, with formidable reputation for integrity. And they did a very good job. This time, As it is within the commission, we are in discussion, and we are going to do, our officer already doing more detailed profiling of observers to ensure that the observers are really, they can discharge their duties as expected from them. We are also very clear that on the day we announce the elections in West Bengal, or for that matter in Assam, or for that matter in Tamil Nadu, it all be announced together. We will send expenditure observers as law and order observers, special law and order observers, and special general observers as per the assessment made by a commission of various states. And we will also make sure this time, although these are standard instructions, but we'll make very sure that we share with you in the press as to when the district observers will be available to meet anybody with a grievance, including any feedback. If press wants to give one-to-one directly, which circuit house or which place they will be available. It will be a public place.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त वैक्सीन